Hi, I am Charlotte from Droplet. Here's a quick tutorial on how to get an It's a Fungible Life NFT. In order to buy an It's a Fungible Life NFT, you'll need to download the MetaMask wallet app on your phone. Open it, tap Get Started and follow the setup instructions. Next, buy and add crypto to your wallet. I recommend you buy crypto from an exchange like Coinbase. You can set up a Coinbase account at coinbase.com or download the Coinbase app. Select Get Started and follow the setup instructions. In order to buy crypto, you'll need to add a payment method. Because this is your first time buying crypto on Coinbase, you need to submit photo ID. Tap Buy, select Ethereum, then verify your ID. To get an It's a Fungible Life NFT, you will need about 0.084 ETH. Next, send the Ethereum to your MetaMask wallet. Tap Send, select Ethereum, enter amount, and send to your MetaMask address. Now back to your MetaMask wallet, tap the drop-down menu and select Browser, enter itsafungiblelife.com, tap Mint, connect your wallet. Select the number of NFTs you want, then tap Mint Now. For a more detailed step-by-step version of this tutorial, go to itsafungiblelife.com.